Imagine a world where your AI assistant not only helps with tasks, but also immerses you in 3D gaming adventures. Sounds futuristic? Well, that future might be closer than you think. Hey there, gamers and tech enthusiasts! If you're excited about the fusion of AI and gaming, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. In recent developments, Microsoft has been making strides to integrate its AI-powered chatbot platform, Copilot, into the gaming realm. A recent job listing reveals that the company is seeking a senior software engineer in Beijing with expertise in 3D rendering engines like Babylon.js, 3.js, and Unity. This move indicates Microsoft's ambition to enhance Copilot's capabilities, potentially offering users interactive 3D gaming experiences. But that's not all. Earlier this year, Microsoft showcased an AI model named Muse, trained on Ninja Theory's game, Bleeding Edge. Muse has the ability to comprehend 3D game environments, including physics and player interactions, paving the way for AI-generated gameplay. Furthermore, Microsoft has been working on embedding Copilot into popular games like Minecraft. Imagine asking Copilot, "How do I craft a sword?" and receiving real-time guidance based on your in-game inventory. This integration aims to make gaming more intuitive and engaging. As AI continues to evolve, the boundaries between technology and entertainment are blurring, offering gamers unprecedented experiences. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on this exciting convergence. Before you go, make sure to check out the related video in the corner for more insights into AI's impact on gaming.